What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to get a 2025 Nissan Versa unlocked, opened, and started if the key fob dies. The beginning part of this video, the opening and unlocking, will also apply if the battery in the Versa has died. So I've taken the battery out of this key fob to demonstrate. As you can see, none of the buttons are working and our vehicle's locked. So the first thing we need to do is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of the key fob. That's done by pressing this release on the back of the fob that my thumb's on, and the emergency key will pull out like that. Now I'll use this key to unlock the driver's door. Turn it to the right or clockwise to unlock. After you unlock it, it's a good idea to go ahead and throw your key back in your fob just so we don't lose it. We can open the door. If the battery in the vehicle has died, you can then pop the hood and charge it or change it, whatever you need to do. And now we'll take a look at how we can get our Versa started with a dead key fob. So we'll get in. And you'll notice if we just try to start it as we normally would, we're going to get a message here saying no key detected. So what I'm going to do is press the stop start button once, and then I'm going to take the key fob and touch the top of it to it. Then you hear a beep, and you'll notice we get this message on the dash, basically telling us we can now start the vehicle, and then we can start it as normal. And once the vehicle has started, you'll be able to drive as you normally would. And the only other thing you'll need to do is change the battery in your key fob as soon as you can. And I'll put a link in the description box of this video on how to change the battery in this key fob in case you're unfamiliar. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.